Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, your founder of Online Study for You. Friends, TCS confirmed 12,000 layoff. That means TCS is going to fire 12,000 employee in financial year 2026. But freshers do not have to worry. I will explain you each and everything. There are many videos on YouTube which is circulating that TCS is going to fire 12,000 employee. That is true, but freshers experience with 2-3 years, these employees will not be impacted. I will give you the complete picture how this hiring, firings, all those things happens. Also friends, regarding the onboarding delays, okay, and new hirings. So new hirings, there will be no impact. New hirings will be happening because they need young talent, freshers. That's what everything's are connected to a particular dot, okay, that we need to understand. Anyway, now if you'll search on Google will tell you. So okay, so you have to understand that if you are in IT, then you have to update yourself with all the technologies, okay. So again, freshers will not be impacted. Now, many people started telling TCS hirings is put on freeze. Okay, TCS hiring is put on hold. So there is nothing like that. Freshers, for freshers, right? For freshers, the hiring will still happen. So the batch of 2026, okay, and followed by that, the hirings will always happen. Okay, see, if you will see TCS paid hiring, that is still open, okay, and free hirings also based on the time it will happen, because these companies, right, so they have to hire the fresh graduates and that will be happening, so there will be no problem at all. So I only want to request you friends, just do not look at the videos, because many people will do the videos for the views, okay. TCS laying off 12,000, but what will be the impact of these videos on the candidate, they will never be able to understand, okay. So that is the reason. See, if you have some fact, you please explain and tell them, okay, this is what you were able to see on the Google. You tell them this is what I googled and what I found, but nobody will do that. Just one one page they will open, TCS is planning to lay off 12,000 mid and senior employees. You have to tell. Onboarding delays, that is for lateral hirings, okay, that is for lateral hirings, and definitely TCS is wrong over there, even for lateral hirings. So that is a separate topic, but freshers, please don't get involved into these things. Hirings will happen or not? Hirings will definitely happen. The college, the fresh graduate, see what happened. Now TCS is there. Again, Accenture hiring will start. Other companies will start hiring because they need resources. Every company needs resources. If TCS hires less, other company will be hiring. So that hiring and these things for the senior level employee, it will be keep going on. You do not have to look into that. It's my humble request. And that is the only reason I said, you friends, please do subscribe to this channel. If there is any news, okay, if there is any news which is relevant, which you should know, okay, I will definitely tell you, and genuine information you will be getting. So I told you in my previous videos, even TCS employee does not have these employees whom you are trusting. Now they will be afraid that they don't even know that they will be there in the companies TCS or not, okay. So these people do not have any idea. They only don't know who will be there in the company and who will not be there. So don't ask to any TCS employee, okay. I'm telling you whatever information is there, I will collect and I will give it to you. That's all. Thank you, take care, and lot of love. Don't worry, this is how this IT industry runs, and it will be, things will keep going on. We have to update ourselves, that we have to upgrade ourselves, that only is in our hand, and that is what we will be keep doing. Thank you, take care, and all the very, very best.